Alright, I always keep my GoPro on me, especially when I come to Orange County, because you never know what you're going to find out here. The LaFerrari parked, not even in valet, just by itself in this random parking lot. Well, actually, I guess it's not random, everyone parks here. Damn, look at this thing though. I mean, red is the most common color that I see all the time. Anytime I see a LaFerrari, got to get out, take a video of it. Doesn't matter. It's so nice. The paint is insane. You guys see the back of it. Damn. First gem of the day. We happened to get back right when we were about to leave. Good Lord.
Damn.
My first day back on Rodeo from the whole year. Haven't been out here all year. Hopefully we can get some good spots out here, so stay tuned. Now this is a good spot. Man. Yeah, check out the interior on this. Super nice. Haven't seen a Karma in a while. See if we can get a start up. Not too sure what's going on here. I might have to end the video on this one. Those little things look like pieces of paper. What the heck? Man, might have to end it on that.